Well, how y'all are this afternoon? This is your buddy George Jones over here on the Bergen Gun Range with my next installment on, hey, let's talk about economy price shotguns. This is shotguns you can get commonly today that are under, say, $400. We'll put the $400 on it. Actually, you can get a pretty good shotgun under $300 if you look around. So let's talk about it. I've got my 3 Bacal shotguns that I want to show that were all under 300 bucks. I bought this guy, the IZH-43. Now this is a Bacal. It's not a Remington Spartan import. This is actually a Bacal, and it's a fixed improved cylinder and full choke. Right's full, left is improved cylinder. And it's a good old-fashioned conventional shotgun. Nice scroll work on it, good blue, nice looking wood. And I believe I paid $300 for this gun 2 years ago. 2 years? 2 years ago. We got some of these imported in when you can still get them. And they were 300 bucks, and I just went ahead and bought one at retail. And it shoots good, and we're going to shoot it here in a little while. Some years ago, I had a problem with hiatal hernia and couldn't shoot a high-powered shotgun anymore, and I went out and bought me this guy. This is a Spartan Bacal Russia. This is a SPR 310 Engage 410. This gun was well under $300 when I bought it. Now this gun, I think this gun's got, yeah, these guys in there. Okay, so I can snap it. This gun's a very well made, nice gun, even though it's a Bacal. It has independent automatic ejectors, so if you shoot one barrel and open it up, it'll only eject the barrel you shot. Full and full, 28-inch, solid joiner between it, double vent rib, very nicely made Bacal. Very nice shotgun. One of my prized possession guns. One of the guns I have is the Bacal, and this was like 150 bucks when I bought it, and this is like a $200 gun today. This one is the Remington Spartan Import SPR 100 in 12 gauge trap, which has vent rib, changeable chokes, and a veculated barrel. So it has recoil reduction out here on the end of it. It doesn't have automatic ejector, but it does have the type of breakdown where you can pull it up, pull the trigger, and relax the action. I like that a lot. This is a very good trap gun, and it's been used on the local junior collegiate trap team a lot. Mossbergs. You can still get Mossbergs under $300, good ones on the used table, and new ones in the $400. This particular gun belongs to my wife. This is the Mossberg American Turkey Federation Jake's Commemorative. It is a 24-inch barrel, vent rib, dual bead, 20 gauge youth model shotgun, which just lines up with my wife's body size perfectly. Today, the standard version of this is about $350 at retail and about $250 in good condition used. So you're talking pretty economical gun. And, this is a youth model, but I've killed a lot of doves with this thing. If I know I'm going to be walking a long way, I'll carry a smaller gun, and I've killed a lot of game with this gun. Now, if you need a defensive shotgun, these guys, the Maverick 88, these guys are still pretty cheap. They got up there outrageous about a year ago, and the prices are starting to fall back down to where they were pre-pandemic times. I saw one of these at the big box store yesterday and they wanted $219 for it. And it's a Mossberg 500 in every way. It's just a little bit modified a little bit to make it a little bit cheaper to manufacture and sell. This one is a 7-shot, and these guys are well under $300. They're well under $250. You can probably get this gun $229 most places now. Like I said, back before the pandemic, you know, they were cheap. During the pandemic, they got really expensive, and now there's enough of them floating around, they're cheap again. This is my cousin's other cousin's one. This is Maverick configured that I accessorized and put together. Now let's talk about, here's another trap gun. This gun is the Stoeger Grand. This is a really good shooting, hard shooting, very acceptable trap gun, and it's under $400. And it's snazzified. It's got all the snazzy stuff on it. Thing about it is, Stoeger is a hunting gun. You can get doubles in the Stoeger line that are around $400. So they're fairly economical. You can get a hunting barrel double, you can get a hunting barrel stack, and you can get a double coach gun, all in the $400 range, all the way from 12 gauge down to 410. Pretty nice old gun. These guys, now this is kind of getting away from hunting stuff, but this is the Fear 116 from Turkey. This is imported by Graysar in Fort Myers. We were shooting this gun a minute ago, and this one works and really well with buckshot. This is a under $400, you know, tactical type shotgun that you can get your hands on. We've got these in stock down at the store. Store information on the end card. But you know, it's under $400. You know, meets the criteria of this video. Well, that's about the size of it for this. We're going to shoot all these guns on camera, and right here in just a minute, like that. So here we go. We get to throwing. So that's the Bacal 410 double, right?
Yes.
Whose bottle of Propel is that?
Mine.
Grab that for him, Tony. It would be this one here.
Huh?
That one there.
Oh. Like you said, Propel.
Up!
Up. Up.
Up! Oh, for Pete's sake.
This is 410.
Get on a little quicker, will you? You're on camera here.
I could just shoot into the box.
Up!
Up.
There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Up!
Up. Oh, whoa.
Do two more. We'll move on to the next gun. Up!
Up.
Up!
Up.
Give the Bacal 12 double a try. Got a recoil boot on it. It's not so bad. Up! quarters on you. Up.
Up.
5 in a row. Up.
Up.
Come on, Alvin, pick out another gun.
Ah. That's easy.
Yeah. Up.
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 Up. Those are healthy.
Problem is, we shoot so damn many guns all the time, it's hard to get good with one. Up.
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 One more. Up.
You wobbled that one.
Yeah.
One more, we'll move on.
Wait a minute. Let's switch it up
I know
just
you
a
hit with that one.
Let's switch it up, put the Turkish model up.
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 That's the Bakal clone from Turkey.
Up.
That may be the best shooting shotgun that right.
Tony?
Get 2 more.
I want to try this out. I haven't tried shooting clays with it.
How dare you hit one with the right gun? Up.
Oh.
Well, I guess I'm in there. Up.
Oh.
Up.
Oh.
Hit it. Piece off. Up.
Oh.
Up.
Oh.
Up.
Oh.
Up.
Oh.
You missed one.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm
your
having to
brother
let them
is
go
hairy
out
as
a
I
little
thought
bit
it
farther for my shot to spread out enough to get them. But it's working.
Dude, that's 6 out of 6 with a right gun. I mean, hell far.
I'm not complaining.
What's next?
I don't know.
Ed, get up here and pull.
Look at that mess we made. We'll have to clean that up.
Let's clean that up. Okay, I'm gonna try the Bakal trap. Get these gloves off. Little straitjackets for your hands. What's that big ass fat wallet laying there? You county businesswoman around here?
Well, it's okay with us. We ain't gonna rob you, but you might want to leave it out with a bunch of strangers around.
Pull.
Up.
Maybe that one went too far.
Maybe. Pull. I ain't worth a crap today either.
Up.
Not my day. Go ahead and pull it.
That was right on.
Go ahead and pull it. That ain't bad. Let's try the Bakal double 12. And shoots pretty good. Always has.
Too bad you don't have a greener.
Up. Pull. I wobbled it, but it didn't break. Up. Pull.
Let's see.
Let's try this one. Let's try this one. I'm just grabbing whatever box of shotgun shells I see.
Up.
Pull it. That was a hit.
Up.
Go ahead and pull it. Peace. Got peace.
Up.
Go ahead and pull it. Missed that one. Watch the wad go right by it.
Up.
Go ahead and pull it.
Let's see.
Push it with your hand. Trust you getting good. Oh man. Alright, let's break down and try the Baikal copy from Turkey. This is a really good gun. We'll run about 3 through it.
Up.
Go ahead and pull it. This thing don't kid around.
Up.
Pull. Pull. This is a real shotgun right here. I don't care who you are. Alright, let's see if I can hit something with last but not least, let's see what I can do with this. The 410. The 410 Baikal. Okay, pull it.
Up.
Pull. Let's shoot 2 more. I'm getting kind of tired.
Up.
Go ahead. One more. Well, there you have it. You can actually get somewhere with economy price shotguns. That's about the size of it. Like I take Sheriff High, commentate and subscribe. Leave me a $1 in your Patreon bucket. It's getting expensive. We'll see you when we see you. Join the NRA and God bless everybody. We'll see you now.
Up.
Up a little bit farther, Tony. There you go.
Up.
Stay Damn, that gun shoots good, buddy. I'd take that in the dove field anytime.
Up. Let's see how far I can let one get out there before I pop it. Or try to. Up.
Pull your clay back just a little bit past that screw. A little bit forward, a little bit forward,
I'll give you a little more range.
a little bit back a little bit, right there.
I'll give you a little more range. Up.
I seen it move.
That's the.
Didn't quite break it, but I saw it move.
Yep. Nah, I ain't gonna. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Whoop.
Yeah, that's a good break.
Yes.
That's a good gun right there.
Yes.
I'm glad you bought that gun so I can talk you out of it sooner or later.
Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen with that one. Whoop. Whoop.
That's the Turkish copy of the Bakal single shot.
Whoop.
You hit it, knocked the chip off of it. You see when it went down there, the boulevard stopped and turned?
Whoop. Over. Whoop. Whoop.
You hit that one too. That's a good shotgun for 150 bucks. It's hard to beat that one.